Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is April 26, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold. Give you guys some levels that we're looking for the US session. I'm going to be going over some of the bigger levels here on S&P 500. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels for you guys as well. For those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. For those who are, thank you guys very much. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. If you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and get started. For S&P, we did get a little bit of a move down, but we had support coming in for me right at about 41.6425 as one of my main levels of support. Underneath that, I got a little bit of a bigger one, 41.5125, and then 41.37 even. Resistance for me coming right in at about 41.7725, and then above that, 41.8625. So we did make a nice move from those 64, 65s and are moving back up. But those are going to be some of my main levels. I'm going to hand it over here to Wendy. She's going to give you guys some minor levels to go over, and then I'll go over some levels also on gold for you guys as well.
Good morning, Dave, and traders in and out of our room. Yeah, Friday was incredibly bullish, but finally at the end of the day, we saw some sell-off. Not terrible, but obviously, bulls have to take some profit. But the market didn't quite close down at our main support. I had 62-ish. Instead, it closed above it at the 64, 65 area, which is Dave's main support. That is our support for the day. And if we can hold it, then we'll continue bullish, but we might be in a range. We've got our resistance up there at 84. We've got support at 65. It's not a huge range, so we have to be very careful how we trade. However, there is one micro peak that turned out to be support, and that was the 67.5 price point. I love to get my chops wet pre-market, so I took a long there after the 8-tick candle close. I'm carrying it on up. That is micro peak 1. Where is micro peak 2? I have 71.75, and it's a good one. It's support from the 23rd. It also turned resistance on the 25th. So what I want to see is market to break above that level with a purpose and come back down to use that as support. So 71.75 is marked for our uptrend play. If we stay in a range, we short the resistance, long the support. If we break our support, way down below at 49.51 is marked, locked and loaded. It's support from the 22nd and quite a good resistance from the 25th. So that area is marked as well. No matter what, we will be making some money today. So Dave, my friend, that's it for SPOOs. How's gold looking?
Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and take it over here to gold. Give you guys some levels. So gold did have a nice pull down. Came a little bit below our supports under here at about 1770.5. And then we started to round out and come back up. So we have another level at 74.6, and we're above a little bit of a prior peak of resistance. We're actually kind of topped out at it right now. So we'll see if this price wants to go above that. I think for US session, we may be targeting the upside here on gold. I do like the idea of trying to get it back up here somewhere around these 82 to 84s as resistance, and then if we can continue higher, next target's going to be between these levels of 87 to 88. I do like the idea of bouncing and then continuing to that area, so that's probably what I'm going to be looking for. But for those who want a little bit of a deeper support, you can look to under this level here at 74 what the market does. Either we can bounce from this area and then get a try to the upside, or we can take it a little bit lower here into these 70.5s and see the rotations off that level and get it to push to the upside. Underneath this level of 70.5 though, we may have some more bears come in to try to pull it down to 66.3, and then 61.3 is the next support under that. So we'll see what happens when we open for the US session. All right, team, let's go ahead and get started.